Hi friends, welcome back to my home sweet home. Today we are going to be embarking on a beautiful culinary journey using our magnificent All-Clad D3 6-quart saute pan. Now I'm going to be showing you this. I actually have two of these. I use them for big gatherings when I'm doing big batches of scrambled eggs and pancakes. I really enjoy cooking on it. I've been cooking on these for almost 20 years. Now, cooking delicate scrambled eggs in a large professional stainless steel pan is a wonderful exercise in culinary confidence. Many home cooks shy away from steel, fearing a sticky situation, but with the right technique, it is a truly seamless experience. We begin by preheating our pan completely dry over a gentle medium to high heat. I do, but they recommend low to medium heat. Give it a good 2 to 3 minutes. I go about 5 minutes to really make sure it's nice and hot. We are looking for the lead and frost effect, where the drop of water dances across the surface like a little pearl. Once the pan is properly heated, we add our butter. Heating the pan first creates a natural barrier so your eggs slide effortlessly, saving you from tedious cleanup later. It's a good thing. So now with our butter perfectly melted and swirling, we introduce our vegetables. Today we have finely chopped onions and vibrant broccoli flowerets. Now, using a 6-quart pan for a single breakfast scramble might feel a bit generous. The surface area is absolutely immense, but it gives our vegetables plenty of room to breathe and express themselves. We want to saute them gently, letting the onions soften and turn translucent, while the broccoli turns magnificent deep emerald green. Now, this tri-ply bonded construction ensures that the heat is distributed flawlessly right up to the straight edges, so every piece of broccoli receives the exact same amount of love. No hot spots, just pure, even cooking. As our vegetables saute, they leave behind tiny caramelized bits on the bottom of the steel. In French cuisine, we call this the fond. It is a fancy word for flavor. Though in a pan this beautiful, it looks like a very exclusive, expensive art installation. To rescue those bits, we perform a quick deglazing using just a splash of cold water. Listen to that beautiful hissing noise. It's just wonderful when it happens. We immediately place our lid on top to trap that moisture. We are essentially giving our broccoli a luxury spa treatment when we steam them with the cover on. There we go. So these straight vertical walls of this D3 pan are really wonderful here because they contain all the bubbling action and reduce our cleanup time. We'll let the water reduce down until it's just gently bubbling away, ensuring our vegetables are perfectly tender but still retain their dignity and bite. We don't want them mushy. Once our water is evaporated and our vegetables are soft and beautifully sauteed, it is time for the main event. We are going to pour in our whisked egg mixture. Because we preheated our pan so beautifully at the beginning, you will see the eggs immediately start to gather the curds. A 6-quart pan acts like a massive thermal heat sink, meaning it holds onto its heat incredibly well. You do not need an aggressive flame here, just a gentle rhythmic motion to keep soft, pillowy folds. So just before the eggs are completely done, we turn off the heat entirely and pop the lid back on. The residual heat trapped inside this heavy gauge American steel will finish the cooking process perfectly without drying the eggs out. It keeps everything wonderfully warm while we set a proper table. I still do that. Not necessary though. Look at that finished, flawless, elegant, and cooked to all perfection. All-Clad crafts these pieces to last a lifetime in Pennsylvania, and it truly shows. If you would like to elevate your morning routine with this exact piece, you can find the link right on my Amazon storefront. Until next time, my friends, eat well and be well. And as an Amazon influencer, I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.